Do you dream of speaking English fluently without fear? Do you want to improve your English quickly and easily? Today, I'll share 6 powerful methods that you can start today and see improvement within weeks. Let's get started. Hello, friends. Welcome back to Listen and Learn. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for simple, practical tips to learn English easily and confidently. In this video, I'll give you a complete step-by-step guide to learn English in a natural, stress-free way. Whether you are a beginner or someone struggling to improve, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll have practical techniques, exercises, and real-life examples that you can apply immediately. Daily small practice. Consistency is the key to learning any language. Even 10-15 minutes daily is better than hours once a week. The brain remembers small, repeated sessions better. How to practice daily. Read 3 to 5 simple English sentences daily. Repeat them aloud to practice pronunciation. Write the sentences in a notebook to improve writing skills. Gradually increase sentences and complexity over time. Example. For example, you can read a simple story, repeat each sentence aloud, and try to memorize a few new words. After a month, you will notice your fluency has improved and you can recall words faster. Mini exercise. Today, try reading 5 sentences from any English story. Repeat them aloud 3 times each. Tomorrow, add 5 more sentences. Keep doing this daily for a week and see the improvement yourself. Speak without fear. Many people fear speaking English because they worry about mistakes. But mistakes are your best teachers. The more you speak, the faster you learn. Steps to speak without fear. Talk to yourself in English in front of a mirror. Talk to friends who are learning English too. Join online language exchange platforms. Example. When I started, I was nervous to speak English in front of others. I made many mistakes, but I kept speaking 10 minutes daily. After 3 months, I could have simple conversations confidently. Your fear will reduce only when you face it. Mini exercise. Pick a daily activity like making breakfast. Describe it in English aloud. For example, I am making eggs. I am boiling water. I am cutting vegetables. Do this daily for confidence. Use media, movies, YouTube, music. Watching English media is a fun and effective way to improve listening and speaking. You learn pronunciation, expressions, and real-life conversation naturally. Steps. Watch English movies or series with subtitles. Listen carefully to how words are pronounced. Pause and repeat sentences aloud. Try shadowing, speaking at the same time as the speaker. Example. I started watching a short English video every day. I paused, repeated sentences, and mimicked the speaker's tone. Within weeks, my listening and speaking skills improved dramatically. Mini exercise. Choose a 2-minute video. Watch it once. Pause every sentence, repeat aloud, and write down new words. Practice it for a week and notice improvement. Build vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of language. The more words you know, the easier it is to express yourself. How to build vocabulary. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Group words by topic: travel, food, daily conversation, work. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to memorize words. Use new words in sentences immediately. Example: today, I learned confident, practice, and fluency. I use them in sentences. I am confident. I practice every day. My fluency is improving. Mini exercise. Write 5 new words you learned today. Make 3 sentences with each word. Speak them aloud 3 times. Join online English communities. Learning with others is more motivating. You get feedback, encouragement, and real conversations. Steps. Join Facebook groups, Discord servers, or English forums. Participate actively. Post, comment, ask questions. Practice speaking with members online. Example: I joined a Facebook English speaking group. I wrote posts, commented in English, and spoke in voice chats. Within weeks, my confidence and fluency increased significantly. Mini exercise. Join one online English group today. Introduce yourself in English and comment on one post. Practice speaking with at least one member. Tip 6. Set realistic goals. Setting clear, achievable goals keeps you motivated and tracks progress. How to set goals? Start small. Speak 3 sentences daily. Gradually increase complexity. 10 sentences. Then short conversations. Track progress weekly in a notebook. Example: my first goal was speaking 3 sentences daily. Later, I increased to 10 sentences. Slowly, I could form short conversations confidently. Realistic goals prevent frustration. Mini exercise. Set your first weekly goal. Speak 3 to 5 new sentences daily. Write them in a notebook. Review progress every Sunday. Learning English can feel challenging. Everyone starts somewhere. I struggled with speaking initially. I made mistakes, felt shy, and sometimes wanted to give up. But daily practice, patience, and persistence transformed my English in just a few months. Remember, every small step counts. You are improving even when it feels slow. Have you ever felt nervous speaking English? Comment below your story. I want to hear it. So, today we learned 6 effective ways to learn English easily. Daily small practice. Speak without fear. Use media. Build vocabulary. Join online communities. And set realistic goals. Practice daily. Stay motivated and you will see improvement gradually. Remember, consistency is the key. Thank you for watching Listen and Learn. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Keep learning and stay confident.